Tracy Adventures Under the Sea. Finding the Sea Turtles. As soon as Carol and Tracy find the blue crab, she summons them away from the other crabs. They can tell she is one of the wisest creatures in the ocean just by the way she's carrying herself. Hello, newcomers. I sense that you are searching for some information, possibly regarding a family member, she says. Carol and Tracy look at each other with wide eyes and think, how could she have known that? Yes, Tracy begins. I'm trying to find my cousin who is a sea turtle. Do you know where they are? Ah, the sea turtles. Yes, I do know their approximate position in this vast ocean, but to get a precise location, you'll need to seek out the birds that peer down from above, the crab explains. A puzzled look comes over Carol's face. How are we ever going to get into the air to talk to the birds? The wise crab already has an answer. For that, you'll need to go visit my old friend Winston the whale. He lives not too far from here. Okay, thank you, Mrs. Crab, says Tracy, even though she's very confused as to how a whale is going to help them get into the air to speak to the birds. We appreciate your help. Mrs. Crab is my mother. Please call me Ruth, and it is no bother at all. Enjoy your journey, Ruth says as she slowly bows to them and scurries off back towards the other crabs. Well, we asked for an adventure and we certainly got one. Let's go find Winston, says Carol, and off they go to continue their journey through the ocean. We'll need to know some more about parameters before we can get help from Winston. We have been calling functions with parameters, but now let's focus on how to define functions with parameters. When we call a function that has a parameter, we have to include arguments or values for each of the parameters. We use the parameter name inside our commands the same way we use variable names. Whatever the value of radius is will be used to control the size of the circle when we call this command. We can see in this function that the value of 50 that we are giving to the radius parameter is being used to control the radius of the circle inside the circle command. In this case, the circle will have a radius of 50. But if we called the function a second time with a different value, like 25, the second circle drawn would have a radius of 25. We have also learned that functions can have multiple parameters, and this allows us to customize more things in our function. In this function, there are two parameters being created in the function definition. The radius parameter is being used to control the size of the circle being drawn, and the color choice parameter is being used to set the color of the circle. When we call this function, giving a value of 100 for the radius and blue for the color choice, we see a blue circle with a radius of 100 pixels added to the canvas. And if we call the function a second time with different arguments, we see a second circle drawn with the radius of 50 pixels and colored in red. Now let's go meet Winston.